my Diversity in Cinema Academy fam. I'm Theta Catalan, and this is the place to be if you're an aspiring filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. Now, are you a filmmaker looking for a platform to showcase your talent and creativity? Well, look no further than Vimeo, the go-to destination for high-quality video content. In my last video, Creating a Killer Film Portfolio, I shared with you some tips and tricks on what you need to include in your portfolio and how to showcase your best work. Now that you have compiled all of your best work, it's time to build the portfolio. Now, the reason Vimeo is a great option is because you will need somewhere to house your video content anyway, okay? To share with clients, potential employers, distributors, sales agents, etc. So, if your budget is tight and you cannot afford to build a website right now, then Vimeo's portfolio feature is a perfect substitute. Now, I'm not saying you should never build a website. I share more information about that in this video. Do filmmakers need a website to level up their film business? Now, in today's tutorial, I'll take you through 8 steps to show you how to create a film portfolio on Vimeo, plus highlight some of the key features that will help you make your mark in the film industry. Now, first things first, you need to create an account on Vimeo. Head over to vimeo.com and click the join button. Enter your email address and a secure password, or you can just use your Google or Facebook account to sign up. Now, for step 2, to unlock the full range of portfolio features on Vimeo, you'll need to upgrade to Vimeo Pro. It costs $240 a year, but it's well worth the investment if you're serious about your filmmaking career. With Vimeo Pro, you get unlimited uploads, advanced privacy controls, and the ability to customize your portfolio with your own branding. Now we're moving on to step 3. Once you upgraded to Vimeo Pro, it's time to start customizing your profile. Click on your profile picture in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Then select the portfolio option from the drop-down menu. FYI, if you haven't created a portfolio before, you'll be prompted to create one. Since I have already started creating a portfolio, we're just going to keep going forward, okay? Next, upload a profile picture and a cover photo that represent your brand or style. So this should be your production company's logo. If you need a logo, Canva and the creative market have great logo options. You simply choose one you like, then modify it for your personal branding. FYI, Canva provides some free options. I'll provide a link below so that you can check out both of those sites. Now, after you upload your logo, the next step is to add a bio that describes your experience and skills as a filmmaker and include links to your website, social media accounts, and any other relevant links. Okay, so if you're finding any value in anything I have shared with you so far in this video, go ahead and hit the like button and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Now, let's dive into these last 4 steps. For step 5, you will create a portfolio. To create a portfolio, click on the Create button in the top right-hand corner of your Vimeo dashboard and select Portfolio. Give your portfolio a name and choose a layout that works for you. There are several options to choose from, including Grid, Showcase, and Reel. Grid is great for showcasing a variety of projects. Showcase is perfect for highlighting your best work, and Reel is ideal for creating a show reel of your favorite clips. Now, for this next step, it's time to start adding your projects to your portfolio. Since we want to showcase our best work, let's just go into the showcase section. Okay, so to create a showcase, you can come to the library section, and when you get here, you can come to this area that says showcases. And so you would click on this plus sign, and once you get here, you can change this title to portfolio or whatever you really want to name it. But for this, we're going to say portfolio. In the description, you can put your mission statement, or whatever you do, and you can put that there in the description. Then you can change the privacy settings, so whether you wanted to make it available for anyone to see or with the password, or unlisted. And when it's unlisted, meaning that people can't just find it, but they will have access to it if you send them a if you just send them the link. They don't need a password, but they do have access to it with just the link. All right, and then right here, you can, if you upgrade, so obviously if you get the Pro, then you will have access to doing the SEO for it, which is search engine optimization, so people can find it on the internet. Okay. The next thing you will want to do is add video. And so basically all the videos that you've already uploaded to the site, you can just come to this list and say, for instance, if I want my producer's reel to be a part of it, I will just type that in there, and then I will find it right there. I will select that and I will add that to it. If I want to add some other videos, say for instance, if I just want, because usually reels are, highlight reels. So if you want someone to actually see like a full scene so they can get an idea of what it would actually look like, then you can do that as well. So say for instance, I have a scene clip for my movie Because I Love You. I will add that there. And maybe you want to highlight like a featurette, that you've done. So I can put that in there. And let's see, maybe you just want a trailer or something, then you can add that to it as well. Okay, so as you can see, you can put as many videos as you want in there. And you can put them in whatever order that you want, so you can move it like that. So it makes it real easy, drag and drop on whatever you want to have first. So then after you do that, you come over to assets, and then you can add a thumbnail here. So, or you can add a custom logo here, and it tells you what the dimensions should be. So let's just say random from out of the producer's reel, right? And then you can just choose any of these. All right. So if you add your custom logo, just know that you need to have the pro plan, and then you can change your accent color. So for me, I would change it to black. I guess I really like black, y'all. Okay. So then I will do that. All right. So, and then you can see the destinations of where it is at. So if you just want to preview this, like you can change, this is what it would look like, right? But if you wanted to change it up, you can also choose that, and then that is what it would look like. So you just have the options. The final step is to share your portfolio. Once your portfolio is complete, use the sharing buttons on your Vimeo dashboard to share your portfolio on social media or embed it on your website or blog. You can also send direct links to potential clients or employers to give them easy access to your best work. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating a film portfolio on Vimeo. With these expert tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to showcasing your talent and creativity to the world. Whether you're just starting out in the film industry or you're a seasoned pro, Vimeo is the perfect platform to help you advance your career. Remember, filmmaking is a visual art and a business. You must showcase your work in the most professional manner if you want someone to take you seriously. So be sure to check out this video. Do filmmakers need a website to level up their film business, to help get you on track? Okay. Oh, and please let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part in this video. Then I'll see you in the next video.